Here I have Nokia G60, and today I'm going to show you how to change photo resolution or photo size in camera on this device. So to do this, firstly you have to open camera, then tap on this arrow here, and here you have this 50 megapixels button. So with this feature you can enable like super high resolution 50 megapixels shot, and without it you just have like normal ordinary shot. So yeah, you have only two different resolutions, like the normal one and the super high. So yeah, and that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.